Good morning, students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 9th Standard Chemistry, Unit 11, Atomic Structure. Atomic Structure. In this lesson, we will learn about Rutherford gold foil experiment, limitation of Rutherford model, main postulates of Bohr atom model, compare the charge and mass of the subatomic particles. Let's move on one by one. Let's see introduction of the atomic structure. Just a small child want to take a toy apart to find out what is inside. The scientists have long been curious about the internal structure of the atom. They wanted to find out what are the particles present inside the atom. What are the particles present in the atom? Inside the atom. And how are these particles arranged in an atom? How are these particles are arranged in this atom? For explaining this, many scientists proposed various atomic models. In 8th standard, already we learned about two theories. What are the two theories? Dalton atomic theory and J.J. Thomson model. Now, in this lesson, we will learn about subatomic particles and other atomic models to explain how these particles are arranged within an atom. How the particles are arranged within an atom. The first topic is discovery of nucleus. In 1911, Lord Rutherford, the scientist from New Zealand, performs his famous experiment of bombarding thin gold foil with very small positive charge particles. These small positive charge particles are called alpha particle. He selected a gold foil because he wanted as a thin layer as possible. And gold is the most malleable metal. Already we learn what is malleable. Malleable means every metal can be changed into thin sheet. In this experiment, he observed that most of the alpha particles passed straight through the foil. Some alpha particles were slightly deflected from the straight path. Most of the alpha passed through the straight line. But some of the alpha particles slightly deflected from the straight path. See this picture. This is sources of alpha particles. The beam of alpha particles pass through the thin gold foil. Most of the alpha particles pass through the straight line. Some of the alpha particles only slightly deflected from the straight path. And very few alpha particles completely bounced back. Very few alpha particles. See this picture. Most of the alpha pass through the straight line. Very few alpha particles. See this picture. The very small number of alpha particles are as in deflected. Only few particles deflected back. Very few alpha particles completely bounced back. Later, Rutherford generalized this result of alpha particle scattering experiment and suggested the model of atom that is known as Rutherford atomic model. Rutherford atomic model. This is what experiment? Rutherford scattering experiment. Rutherford scattering experiment. This experiment, deflection of alpha particles by gold leaf. Gold leaf. Most of the alpha particles pass through the straight line. Some of the alpha particles only slightly deflected, straight path. Very few alpha particles only completely bounced back. Completely bounced back. This is what model? Rutherford atomic model. Rutherford atomic model. See this picture. This is Rutherford model of atom. Reflected alpha particle. This in the red color particles is the gold particles. Gold thin foil. Slightly most of the pass through the alpha particles. Most of the alpha particles pass through straight line. Straight path. Only some alpha particles slightly deflected. The fourth atom are slightly deflected from the straight path. The fourth atom of this alpha particles. These alpha particles slightly deflected from the straight path. Very few alpha particles. See this third atom of these alpha particles completely bounced back. So the center of nucleus, the nucleus contains small positive charge particle, that is called alpha particles. The Rutherford atomic model explains following concept. What are the following concepts? First one, according to this theory, the atom contains large empty space. Every atom contains large empty space around the nucleus. Atom contains large empty space. There is a positive charge mass at the center of atom. This is known as nucleus. The center of atom contains positive charge particle. This positive charge particle is called as nucleus. So nucleus contains center of nucleus. The nucleus is a center of nucleus and center of atom contains nucleus. This is positive charge mass. The size of the nucleus of atom is very small compared to the size of atom. Atom is a smaller size compared to size of the atom. The nucleus is very small size. Size of the nucleus is very small compared to the size of the atom. So nucleus is a very tiny particles. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in closed circular path. This closed circular path is called orbit. Already we know atoms contain large empty space. This large empty space, electrons are revolved around the nucleus. In circular path. This circular path is called as orbit. What is orbit? Electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular path. Closed circular path. This is called orbit. An atom of whole is electrically neutral. An atom of whole is electrically neutral. That is, the number of proton and electron an atom are equal. So, atom contain equal number of proton and equal number of electron. Proton charge positive, electron charge negative. So, electrically neutral. The atom is electrically neutral. Every atoms and molecules are electrically neutral. Neutral means there is no charge. See this picture. This is contains one of the atom. Atom contains center of nucleus charge positive. The positive charge, the atom positive charge nucleus surrounded by some electrons. So atom contains large empty space. In this large empty space, electrons are revolved around the nucleus. They revolve around the nucleus in what path? Circular path. The circular path is known as orbit. So atom contains center of nucleus. Center of atom contains nucleus. Center of atom contains positive charge nucleus. So this positive charge nucleus revolve around the electrons all revolve around the nucleus in circular path. This is called orbit. These are the Rutherford model atomic theory concept. One second recall Rutherford atomic model. Atom contains large empty space. This positive charge mass at the center of atom is known as nucleus. Size of the nucleus is small. Size of the nucleus of atom is very small compared to the size of atom. Electrons are revolved around the nucleus in circular path is called orbit. Atom hole is electrically neutral. That is what every atom contains equal number of proton electron in the every atom contains equal number of proton and equal number of electron. Rutherford model of atomic structure is similar to the structure of solar system. Just as in the solar system, the sun is the center. Sun is at the center, and planets revolve around it. Similarly, in an atom, at this nucleus present at the center, and electrons revolve around the orbit. It is called shell. Orbit otherwise called shell. So this Rutherford atom of model similar to the solar system. In a solar system, sun is at the center and planets revolve around the circular path. Let's see limitation of Rutherford atom of model. According to electromagnetic theory, the moving electron should accelerate and continuously lose energy. According to electromagnetic theory, moving electron should accelerate and continuously lose energy. Due to loss of energy, the path of electrons may reduce and finally the electron should fall into the nucleus. Due to loss of energy, path of electrons may reduce and finally the electron should fall into the nucleus. If it is happens, so the atom becomes unstable. But atoms are stable. Rutherford model failed to explain the stability of atom. This is one of the main limitation of Rutherford atom of model. See this picture. Center of positive charge nucleus contains nucleus. Positively charged is a nucleus. Around the nucleus, the electrons are revolved around the nucleus in circular motion. So, electrons are continuously revolve around the nucleus. That means moving circular path. After some times, the electrons are lost energy. That means the mass of electrons may reduce and finally electron should fall in the nucleus. So this concept Rutherford does not explain. This is one of the limitation. Dear students, learn today's topics and note the assignment question. The first question: what conclusions were made from the observation of Goldfield experiment? The second one: explain limitation of Rutherford atom of model.